Hello, Scrappy family. Amanda here with my favorite scrapper. We have a package to unload. I don't know how many unboxing videos we're going to do, but we have one today. It was recently my birthday, and my husband blessed me with an order from scrapbook.com or Scrapbook Generation, as well as scrapbook.com. But this is our Scrapbook Generation order. So let's take a peek and see what we've got here. I am super excited. I could not wait for the Black Friday deals because I wanted things to come in advance. So let's see. I got it all. Give me 1 second. Let's see what we've got here. Our packing slip from Scrapbook Generation. They always write a little note, which is great. Thank you. We appreciate you. Appreciate them. Okay, so Bella Boulevard, Ephemera Words. This is from their My Life 365 new collection that came out. So super excited about that. So I got the Ephemera Words as well as the Ephemera Icons. Love, love, love them. And the collection kit is somewhere in here as well. The puffy stickers. Look at these. OMG. Some enamel dots because how could you, right? And then the collection pack. I know everybody has been doing things with this collection pack, and I cannot wait to bust it open myself. So it goes through the whole year. You've got January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So amazing. I cannot wait. It's pattern paper and sticker sheet. And it is 12 double-sided cut apart month papers and 12 double-sided pattern papers and 1 sticker sheet. So I love that. Okay, so that's it from the My Life 360. And then, as you guys know, I'm a huge fan of Scrapbook Generation and their sketches as well as their kits. So here is one of their kits called Excitement. This is Disney themed somewhat. You guys know I have a Disney obsession, so here's that. It's a layout kit. Then there's one here that's called Sassy. I have a 6-year-old Sassy McGrassy, so this can be used for her. And then here is another kit, also Disney themed. This is featuring an Echo Park collection. I can't see which one it is from this particular page, but that's okay because I know that I'll use it. So here we go. That is our shopping haul. I cannot wait. So we've got 3 kits from Scrapbook Generation, and then a good portion of the Bella Boulevard My Life 365 collection kit with the ephemera icons, puffy stickers, ephemera words, and enamel dots. Oh, I can't wait to craft with these. Here's part 2 of our birthday unboxing. So let's see what we have in here. Oh, it's a little difficult. This one is from scrapbook.com. So let's see what kind of goodies we have. Oh, yes. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. I ordered the Tinsel Time collection from Doodlebug Designs. So this is the Chit Chat that has all of the words, ephemera pieces. Can you guys see that? Oh, so excited. These shape sprinkles, they look like lights, Christmas lights. Then we've got this odds and ends, which have all of the images and the characters. Look at that, guys. 187 pieces. I'm not going to open this because I don't want it to go all over the place, but oh, how adorable. Now, okay. Then I had to get the 6x6 paper pad. You guys know I live for a 6x6. Let's cut it open and see. I love it. Okay. Look at all of these beautiful papers. So exciting. And I really love a 6x6 cutout because sometimes I don't need this to be 6 inches, right? I don't need it to be the whole length of my page. I just need a little journaling spot, a little tag, you know, a little cute embellishment. 6x6 paper pack. Okay. It's my shopping list. It's garbage. And then I got the essentials kit. Now, I tend to go with the essentials kits because I like everything to be coordinating already and I don't want to have to think about it. So in it, it came with some enamel dots. It came with a doodle pop of Santa and some brads, as well as a sticker sheet and an alpha sticker and some paper. So let's see what the paper is that came in with it. Sorry for all the noise. I know some of you like it, some of you hate it. My bad. Okay. So we've got this beautiful snowflake paper with a gray or silver with polka dots on the background. Then we've got this ornament paper with some sparkles on the back. Then we've got this village paper with some Christmas trees on the back. And now these are red and pink and green and blue. And we've got this cute reindeer. Hello, reindeer. Come on now. And a cut apart sheet, which is awesome. Love 3x4 cards. Here's a plaid. And on the back of this is some poinsettias and florals, pine cones, things like that. And then here's Santa and a red plaid, checker plaid. So that's cute. That's cute. So this is exactly enough. I've got paper, I've got stickers, I've got embellishments, I've got my 6x6 paper pad. I am so excited. Now, if you know me, now you know I gotta have, this has to be my color scheme for Christmas. Now I gotta go buy my kitties outfits and make sure that this is the color for all of our pictures. Our pajamas are navy. We've already bought those and they're navy, so we're gonna have to figure something out. But this is cute. Thank you. Can't wait to go start some layouts with this. I can't wait for the inspiration to. Okay, final haul for this unboxing video. I told you guys it was my birthday. I was spoiled, so this is not a regular occurrence. It probably won't happen again till next November, December. But I'm excited. Let's see. This is also from scrapbook.com. I cannot remember what I ordered. Ooh, lots of goodies. Okay, so here, let me. Okay, so what I ordered were a bunch of parts from the Say Cheese Simple Stories collection that's Disney based. So this is based on Tomorrowland, right? Say Cheese, this is the sticker sheet. Let's see, there's no rhyme or reason to this packing order, I see. Okay, so let me put it a little bit in order. Okay, so here's some more of the Say Cheese. This is Tinseltown. This is the cut apart, and this is based off of Hollywood Studios. Then this is the cut apart for Animal Kingdom. I have pictures with Mickey and Minnie in their safari outfits that I am dying to scrap, so that's going to be perfect for that. I told you guys in a previous video how much my daughter loves the Yeti ride, so that's that. And then here's the sticker sheet that goes with that particular paper. So this is Say Cheese Wild. So I'm going to put that with the other sticker sheet. Then this is the cut apart for Tomorrowland. Okay. So love that. Here's the sticker sheet for Fantasy. For Fantasy at the Park. Say Cheese Fantasy at the Park. So you've got Dumbo. Here's another Yeti, even though Yeti's at Hollywood Studios. But this might be based off of Disneyland as well, which I've never been to, but it is on the bucket list. So love that. Then we have this classic mouse sheet, which you can use for the Runaway Railroad ride or just other Mickey papers. Love that. A cut apart. And this is for the Star Wars land. We visited that when my cousin came to visit over the summer. As many times as I'd been to Disney, I hadn't gone to that side because we're not Star Warsers in my house, but it was fun. Then this one is the sticker sheet for Tinsel Time. So it has the Toy Story area, Tower of Terror. So that'll be fun. And then here is the sticker sheet for the safari for Animal Kingdom. Right, so you've got the tree, you've got the tikis, you've got the Jungle Cruise. So awesome. And then put that to the side. And then this is for Adventureland and Magic Kingdom as well. So for this, we've got Haunted Mansion, Pirates of the Caribbean, Splash Mountain. So a bunch of items on here as well. So I am super excited about that. And so just to kind of go with that theme, here is the Say Cheese Collector's Essential Kit. Now this is more Magic Kingdom general Disney based versus specific to the parks, which is fine because I can use all things Disney. It comes with 12 sheets of double-sided cardstock, a 12 by 12 sheet of stickers, simple page pieces, which I'm sure those are these ephemera pieces, a 6 by 12 sticker sheet, which is this, and journaling bits. So super excited about that. I'm not going to bust this one open because we have a lot of things in this unhauling to look at, but look at that. There's lots of tags and cut apart. Oh, I'm so excited. So excited. All right. So continuing on with that, you guys know I love to make shakers on my layouts. So I did buy some Mickey head shakers. Can you see that? Aren't those so cute? So to utilize in my shakers. Then I bought the Tinseltown bits and pieces ephemera pack. And then this one is for Tomorrowland Adventure ephemera pack. Let's see, what else did we get? This is also the page pieces for Hollywood Studios, right? Tinseltown, it says. And then here are some frames, and this is what I would use when I make my shakers, or also just to frame some photos. So these are frames, and this is just the Say Cheese collection in general. Let's see. Look at this. So excited with myself. I don't know what to do. Okay. So in addition, I got a 6 by 8 paper pad for the Say Cheese at the park. And so this looks like it goes through all of the parks. Let me open it up. Okay. So yeah, so you've got Fantasyland, Tomorrowland, Frontierland, Animal Kingdom, all of it's in here. So this is lovely. It's not 6 by 6, it's 6 by 8, which some companies are doing now, which is fine. You know, we never have too much paper. So yeah, so that's that. And then this is a sticker book. So more stickers. Oh, this is on both sides. You had to go get fancy, huh? Hold on. Okay. So this is a sticker sheet. They're matted stickers, so they're not glossy, which is okay. I'm not upset with it. We've got some journaling spots, some geotags, some alphas. Really nice embellishment. And these look like the buttons you get when you go to Disney. How adorable. Some words. So yeah, my husband took real good care of me. He doesn't know everything he bought, but hey, thanks, honey. Okay. Now, I also purchased some of the Happy Healing collection from Doodlebug in this haul as well. And I was really going back and forth with this collection. I wasn't sure if I was going to purchase it or not. But what ended up getting me were all the dentistry items in here. Because we recently took my kids to the dentist. And we took the baby to the dentist for the first time. And we have lots of pictures. So so that's why I got it. And I figured between now and forever, I'll be able to utilize some of the other options in here. My niece is in college right now to become a nurse. So, you know, we can use that. My sister-in-law is going to be a pharmacy tech. So I'm going to be able to utilize these things. Hopefully we don't have any hospital visits, but, and these papers, they're so versatile. Like, you can use these hearts for anything. It doesn't have to be hospital related. So, yeah. So I bought the 6x6 paper pad for that. I bought the Doodle Pop with the tooth and the toothbrush, right? So that can be for the dentist. My daughter's 6. She'll be losing teeth soon. So there we go. And to go along with it, I bought the odds and ends Happy Healing pack. And so this has 184 different icons, and this is a plethora. So we've got some dentistry things in there, but so many medical icons are in this packet. So I bought that, and then I got 2 sheets. I had to get the tooth because, like I said, the reason for it was for the dentist. So I got this sheet, and then the back is just pink hearts. So if I don't use all of the front, I'll definitely be able to utilize the back. And then I bought this large cut apart tag sheet because why not, right? So that's what I got for that. And then because the algorithm knows me, right, it kept showing me this piece of paper. It says, I'm a book lover. I am a book lover. I'm an avid reader, and I loved it. So I just had to buy 1 sheet of it. I don't always get pictures of me reading because I'm reading, and nobody else takes pictures, but maybe I'll have to stage some so people can take pictures of me reading. So that's it. That is it. That's the whole birthday haul. I am so excited, beyond excited. I love everything that I got. So we have lots of crafting coming up ahead of us. I am going to dive into all of these Disney pieces when I print the pictures from us going to the dentist, when I start our holiday photos with Tinseltown. It's going to be amazing. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what I make with these, and I hope that you get to do something to make yourself proud today as well. Thank you. Bye-bye.